Silly Sheep's Big Escape. One day a sheep named Benny was very bored. He didn't want to stay in the field. He wanted fun. He wanted adventure. So Benny squeezed through a hole in the fence and ran away. "Freedom!" he cheered. First he ran into town. People stared. A little boy pointed. "Look, a fluffy dog!" Benny was not a dog, but he liked the attention. Then he saw a bakery. It smelled so good. He walked inside, but the baker shouted, "No sheep allowed?" Benny tried to grab a muffin, but he only had hooves. He knocked over a whole tray of cookies instead. Oops! Benny ran out fast. He found a playground and jumped onto a swing. Whee! But swings are tricky for sheep. He fell off. Thud! Just then, Farmer Tom arrived. "Benny, what are you doing?" Benny looked up and gave his best innocent sheep smile. "Bah!" Farmer Tom sighed. "Let's go home." Back at the farm, Benny flopped onto the grass. No muffins, no swings, but still a good day. Maybe tomorrow he'd try the ice cream shop.